Let's take a couple of these. Got that. Don't need that. Oh, penny whistle. Let's take one of these. You know, honey, the best instrument that this band has got is right here, the voice. You know, we even tried to insure our voices, but they said we couldn't because they're priceless.
I think their exact words were, without value.
Whatever, honey. Anyway, it reminds me of the time we were recording our latest hit in Russia.
I think we should go dancing. 2, 3, 4. Get your feet on the floor.
Well, you gotta like that.
That's a rocking good tune, Colonel Clef. Yeah, man, very good, man.
But we think we'd like to change the melody.
Well, how about a melody like this? Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Honey, we were thinking something a little more original. That melody's already been taken.
Oh, of course. You kids are good.
The melody of a song is the most familiar part of a song. It's the part that you can hum or whistle. A melody can be any combination of notes. Some sound really good together, others... Well, honeys, you get the idea. You know, honey, melodies are fine because you can create them whenever you want, wherever you want. And you can get together with a group of friends and create your own music concert. Of course, it'll never be as good as ours.
You know, the best thing is, the only instruments you'll ever need are ones I won't have to carry. Your voices.
Hey, the girl.